Sige. Angat. Angat, dali.
Uy!
Dali. Dito.
Uy!
Yan, ka na.
I broke my net.
Putang laki. Walang yan ang kukuhanin ba? Patay mo na, pagkukunin mo.
No, I don't think. Can you hit this one? Oh, yun na. Yun. Yun, laki. Medyo okay na. Yan na. Long nose emperor.
Tanggal?
Laki-laki na yun. Ah, linya. May linya sumapit. May nauli lang to tayo mga kasyan. Lose another one. Pakita ko lang yung nahuli natin mga kasyan. So before magdilim. Medyo okay na. Long nose emperor. Kinuha lang yung pain. I got tuna meat. They like it, they biting it. There you go. Bite it, sir. Oh, red snapper. Good cat, sir. Thank you.
Ano na, yung nakuha namin.
Hindi na nakawa. It didn't get away this time. Yeah, it's a good size. Thank you, sir. So we got a red snapper, mga ka-sir. Good size. Yan mo. Yeah. Look at that. Nice one. Uy. Yeah. Nice. Yun o. Fighting.
Ano? Sumabit eh. Ha? Sumabit sa gilid.
Sumabit sa ano? Mushroom?
Sumabit sa gilid ng bato. Hindi pa isa.
Yan pa rin, lumalaban pa rin.
Gusto ko ng konti. Para lumayo.
Yan pa rin. Malabang pa rin siya.
Ay, sumabit sa bato. Lalayo ko. Yan yung... Hindi, pinahihila ko. Pinahihila ko.
Magawi dito sa kabila.
Gilid ito ng bato. Pag humihinto talaga. Kaya...
Yun, hila na. Hilain nyo na yan. Yan.
Putan, sumaano sa bato.
Yun lang.
Sayang, laki to.
Yan pa, may hila pa. Yun.
Ayun.
Sige. Tira. Ayun na. Oo, yun na. Yun. Yun, laki. Nice.
Wala eh, sumabit sa bato.
Big eye.
Teka. Nandun pa nga, tama kayo. Oo. Yun.
Ah, sige. Ako na mo, irad mo. Nasa... Yan o.
Wala, masakapit sa bato yung pinintay kong...
Nice one. Malaki.
Yung medyo.
Ang video. Good job.
Yeah, thank you. Yun naman, pares lang nung sa kanina. Kailang mataba to.
Oo.
Walang kawala.
Big eye yan eh. Big eye jack. Yeah. Yung kanina, yellowtail. Parang ahas.
Sarap yung palos na yan. Right here.
I'm scared to. It's too big.
It's big and ugly.
It went underneath.
Where's that? No more? Where's this? Right here?
It went underneath.
Laki.
Takot ako eh. I'm scared.
Dati nga dyan.
I was still underneath there.
Or there's a big one over there. Kinuha yung nandyan, yung aming alaga. Mas malaki yun.
That one looked like a snake.
Walang tinik yan, masarap yan. Yung ganang kulay.
Wala bang ano yan?
Wala.
Doesn't have bones? Oh, bacteria?
Last one?
Yeah, that is still big. Oh.
You still sitting here?
Yeah, but I was scared though.
That's a big one.
Yeah. What's he doing up here though?
Oh, there you go. Right there.
Let me see if I can get close.
Oh, big. So big. Wow, laki. Yan mo yung ano. Yung... Yeah, sige, susunod.
He was like fighting. Oh, dang it.
Yeah, I wouldn't mess with him.
It's just for the video. I will have hurt him.
I got video for you right here. I wouldn't touch it.
Where is it?
I'm scared. That's too big. It's still there. Look at that, Asha. Big eel.
Yeah. Oh.
Come on out. Look at that. Come on. Come here. Oh, it went inside. Can't even fit.
Yung ulo, ipasok mo yung ulo dyan sa'yo.
I know.
Yeah.
It was like trying to get out.
Yeah, laki.
Can't get. Where are you going?
Hey, hang on, hold on, now let me move.
Yeah. Dito sa pumasok, kaya pabayaan mong ganyan lang.
Can't go anywhere.
Trap mo lang yan, trap mo, Colson. Gusto mong kunin, papatayin natin, hatawin ko ulo.
Hindi, wag. Kawawa.
Napakasarap niyan. Wow! Yeah, ulo, yeah. Yan. Tapos siya pumasok sa loob. Yeah. Sige, angat. Angat, dali.
Uy!
Dali, dito.
Uy!
Yan, tara.
I broke my net.
Putan, laki. Walang yan ang kukuhanin ba? Patay mo na, pag kukunin mo.
No, I don't think. Can you hit this one? I just broke my net.
Yeah.
Dang it. Telescopic. It's fine though. We got another.
That's so big.
Huge one.
I thought I had my net in the car, but I guess I didn't put it in the car.
Gagapang yun sa ano.
Sige lang. Okay lang. Oh!
Kanaya yung... Ay, yung ano, yung mga nilinis kong ano.
Yun ang
Yung-
na-attract siya.
Oo, kinain niya yung mga...
Look at that. Big one.
That's him.
This one expensive, huh?
What?
This one. Ooh.
Oh,
There, my net. It got ruined.
Ano, yung... Bawal ba kaya yan?
Hindi naman eh.
Kinain niya yung ano.
Uy! Uy! Uy!
Ay, got
Ay, yeah. Where's the other one?
Watch, move out of the way. Move on. Good job.
Mamatay na.
No.
Watch feet.
I think I can play along over there. There you go. There you go. Yeah.
Oo, papakuha lang na.
You got the other.
Yeah.
He'll find his way now. He'll find his way.
Bye. Still going. Yeah. Went out. Yeah. That's a big one, sir. Yeah.
Tawa naman.
Oo. Hindi naman natin kakainin eh.
Pinalagaan namin, pinakakain namin ng pusit. Binuuli.
Total na huli natin mga kasya. Isang malaking red snapper, isang long nose, tsaka dalawang mallet. Okay, salamat sa panonood. Ito pa rin po sa fishing spot natin. Right.